morning, everybody. Well, we are trying to find someone to truck for us. We got a guy in mind that he's not working presently, so we might throw him in the semi this afternoon when he gets here and let him haul a couple loads for me. That way the combine just never stops. The combine can just keep rolling, keep filling trucks, and trucks keep getting emptied, and so on and so forth. Right now it's 10 o'clock in the morning. My phone's ringing. Guess I need to answer this one. Okay, sorry about that. That was a phone call about a trucker, a guy that can truck for us. Sounds like he's gonna run, so he's gonna call me this afternoon and go from there. But right now I'm going to start the white truck. I don't know if you can see it back there behind me. I'm going to start that one, get that one aired up so I can haul that one into the elevator. And then the green truck that's hooked to this flatbed, I'm going to unhook the flatbed and hook that one up to the other trailer so that's ready to go. While this one's airing up and all that, all that fancy crap. So come along for the ride. Let's see what we can get done today. Trucking. I tell you, these darn farmers. Way up there is a combine. There's two grain trucks, probably 4 or 5 cars. This truck in front of me and me. And then there's a car, another grain truck behind me, all trying to get the elevator. And these darn farmers up here that's doing the combine, driving the combine down the road, just taking up the whole road. This is just crazy. I knew I should have left earlier in the morning. Look at all them trucks in my way. I'm like number 45. Some of the graffiti you see on trains looks really nice. Well, I got back to the field and looking at what's left in the daylight, I've probably got about 15 acres left here, and then we're going to move back to the home farm. I just went and parked the grain cart there. I emptied it. So now I gotta walk all the way up there to get to the combine. But got my lunch in hand. Time to spend the day in the combine. On a side note, the wife and I have been talking about our goal for the YouTube channel is to get to 1,000 subscribers. So we've kind of come up with a plan. I think we're going to do a giveaway. When we hit that 1,000 subscriber mark, we're going to have a giveaway. Kind of a celebration type thing. So there's a pretty decent plan for the giveaway. I'll let you on a little secret, a little hint. When I do get the 1,000 subscriber, we're going to post a video basically saying we hit the 1,000 subscribers. And your job is to comment on that video. Whoever comments on that video will be entered in a drawing. And then we'll pick the winner out of that drawing. And I'm going to give you a little hint that in the drawing, there is the potential, the opportunity for you to win some money. So we'll get to that in the future. But the only way I'm going to get there is for you guys to like, subscribe, share, comment, do everything you can to get me to that 1,000 subscriber mark. Dumping. He's emptying the grain cart right now into the little truck. I still got beans on the combine right now, but we're done with this 60-acre chunk, and our goal is to get this stuff emptied, get it transported back to the farm so we can move on to the next field. I like to do it all before dark, but with the time change, we'll see where it leads us. Boy, it is 5:15 right now. Seems like just yesterday it wasn't getting dark till 6:15. A little dad joke for you. That sky is beautiful. I know this camera doesn't do it justice, but holy cow, it's like bright orange. Well, we're ending the night here. It's a little after 8 o'clock, dew setting in, so I'm gonna just continue this video on till tomorrow. So we'll see you in the morning. Morning, everybody. Well, it's about 5:30 in the morning. I'm gonna fire up this truck, get down to the elevator, get in line. I'm sure there's gonna be a line. I need to dump that. I'm gonna come back, grab the red truck, take that down, dump it, and then we'll have all the trucks emptied and we can just keep rolling today. So come along for the ride. Got one truck emptied so far this morning. So now I got 2 empty semis right now, and I'm getting ready to take the little truck in. I'm letting that air up and warm up right now, and then we'll get that dumped, and then hopefully by then the dew is burned off and we can start cutting beans again. I am waiting in line to be probed. Combine's full, grain cart's full, and my grain cart operator is out cutting trees somewhere. So now I have to physically go empty it myself. Unacceptable, I tell you. Garbage. I was wanting to plant wheat in this field, but I don't know if I'll be able to. There's a few spots in this field I had to put the combine in 4-wheel drive to get through it, and it's just a little on the soft side, and they're talking rain tomorrow afternoon, so I don't think that's going to be enough time to get this dried out. So I don't know what we're going to do yet. We might just go ahead and plant this, and when we cut the wheat we got to cut it high, I guess. I don't know, but we'll see. I am definitely slinging some mud. You know, I gotta say, I've always been a firm believer that 4-wheel drive in a combine is not worth the money, because if it's that wet you shouldn't be out there anyway. But the new combine's 4-wheel drive and it's well worth the money. I will eat crow till the cows come home on that one. It's 4-wheel drive's really shining this year, that's for sure. I don't know if you guys can see the ruts and everything that we're leaving out there. It's a sloppy mess right now, but beans are coming off. That's all that counts. Well, after doing some debating, I think what we're going to do is, after I get the trucks filled, we're going to hook up to the disc with the big tractor and just go scratch those ruts I was leaving in the field, in hopes the wind that's blowing will dry them out and level them out a little bit so we can get the wheat planted, rest of the wheat planted. I'm kind of thinking that's our, I'm trying to back up here, sorry. I'm kind of thinking that's going to be our best option as far as getting that weed in and getting the ruts leveled off and things like that. Because if we lightly scratch them with a disc, because I cut on a 45-degree angle, and if we lightly scratch them on an opposite 45-degree angle, that'll fill the ruts in, level things out a little bit, and then go in and plant it all straight like I normally do. In theory, it should work. If it's dry enough, the key is not to get everything slabbed. So, what I mean by slabbed is if you're cut the disc if you cut the disc too deep, when the ground is wet, it creates like big balls and big slabs of mud on top. And that's what you don't want. You want to just scratch the surface. So we'll see. Works out on paper, right? Well, I don't know. We'll find out. Well, waiting on the grain cart, so take this opportunity to step out of the cab and stretch. Maybe find the restroom. You know, got off the phone with the wife just a few minutes ago, and she asked me if I was slinging mud and making ruts and everything else, and I told her yeah. And she asked if I got any good video of it. And to be honest with you, I got some shots of the ruts. And then she says, well, did you get some good combine footage? And to be honest with you, because this is a 2-day video, the beginning of this video was from yesterday, I don't remember what I filmed yesterday. Huh. Guess I should keep better track of that, huh? Oh well, when I edit it, it'll be a surprise, I guess. No, it's not muddy at all. What a mess. I can feel the combine slipping now.